I love bacon cheeseburgers as much as the next girl, but I also wish there were more options available at my local diner. I'd love a big spinach salad with grilled chicken, or maybe a vegetable side served with a burger.
Eating healthy, it's not always easy. FitPix aims to help you see great tasting choices easier at diners and convenience stores throughout Franklin County, New York. When you see the FitPix logo, you know it's all good. FitPix fits easily into your fast-paced life. The great folks at these diners and corner stores are working hard to provide your family with easy ways to eat on the go.
It makes you feel really good to help people, you know, and giving them the options.
We use wheat bread now for our French toast, which is quite a bit healthier.
We try to use as many local and fresh products as possible that we can get from our community.
Fresh fruit, the original road food. Options at convenience stores guide you to grab-and-go choices that are smart and delicious.
Customers really like to see all this food in here. They do come looking for it.
Whether your fruits and vegetables are fresh, frozen, or canned, it's all good.
Well, our closest grocery store is in Malone, which is 12 miles or like a 20-minute drive. So if anyone wants anything simple for groceries, they have to go all that way, out of their way for something quick. So by having it here, it helps out a lot.
Is it time for a lunch makeover?
We've offered grilled items. We've offered salads in place of the French fries or mashed potatoes. We've offered more fruit options.
When it's time to eat out, FitPix partner restaurants feature great options like vegetable side dishes, smaller entrees, grilled or baked alternatives, and nutrient-rich children's menu options.
We also have added some new things on the menu, breakfast banana split and a sweet potato.
Feeling fruity, one sip at a time.
We've had a good reaction from customers about the foods.
We know that there's a problem out there with obesity and diabetes, and people just need a little help when they go out to eat.
Oh, I found the FitPix program to be very easy to work with. They're very easy to manage. They provide me with a lot of good tools like posters and advertisements, let them know what they have and what's available for them to make better choices.
FitPix hits the target with delicious and energizing fruits and vegetable options.
I try to teach my kids this all the time, that what are the choices you should make for that.
Look for the FitPix logo and eat the best, leave the rest. Learn more at fitpix.net. Fresh fruit and vegetables are fun. See what FitPix choices can do for you.
It makes it easier and it makes me feel good about it.
FitPix, sponsored by the North Country Healthy Heart Network with funding by the New York State Department of Health.